Hey guys, it's Tina. I know it's super late, but I just wanted to hop on because my taste buds came in the other day and I wanted to show you guys what's in them for this month. If you don't know what taste buds are, it's a monthly subscription that shows up at your door once a month, and inside are exclusive recipes and seasoning and rub samples. And every month is a different surprise. So let's see what we got this month. Every time you get these, you're going to get 3 different seasonings, rubs, flavors, depending on what they have. Ooh, this month we have chili lime. Don't have this one yet. Jamaican jerk and Asian. And let's see. Oh, I can't wait to use those. Those are going to be good. Get some good cooking in. Ooh, crispy cauliflower tacos. What? Right in my keto diet, I'm sure. That looks so good. All right. So you get a recipe, a full recipe for each of the seasonings. Easy Pozzoli. All right. This one's for your chili lime rub. And then for the Jamaican jerk chicken sandwich. Oh, how delicious does that look? Oh my God, it looks so good. So you get the full recipe and directions on the back, as well as some easy change-ups to add your own twist on things. And then you get this baby here, which is March's theme is global flavors. All right, and it shows you all 3 of those recipe cards that you get. But then it also gives you some nice simple recipes for them as well. Like for the Jamaican jerk rub, there's jerk nachos, salmon, cornbread. Ooh, cornbread. Add a little bit of jerk seasoning in there. Jamaican jerk, that'll be good. And then for the chili lime rub, we have sweet and spicy fruit, chili lime corn, and tangy shrimp. As I was thinking shrimp for that chili lime rub. And then for the Asian seasoning mix, we have an Asian vinaigrette. Ooh, new dressing. I'll take it. Asian fried tofu. It's one thing I can't get on board with, guys. I'm sorry. I've tried, and I've tried, and I've tried. I can't. Anyway, maybe it's good. I'm sure it's good. But I'll see if I could try it. And then roasted green beans with the Asian. That looks good, too. All right, so that's what you get every month. You can do a 1-month subscription just to try it out and see what you get. You can do a 3-month subscription or a 6-month subscription. Obviously, the longer you do, the cheaper the price is, all right? Now, the reason I love subscriptions as a Pampered Chef consultant is because you're constantly getting orders in. So it helps me every month with my goals, my subscriptions. I'll be honest with you guys. But what's nice is you don't have to think about it. So what other subscription we have is our Enrichables. Now, you can get the Enrichables for subscriptions for all 3 of the sizes that they come in. We have 3 flavors now. We have our kale and fiber... what is it? Kale and vegetable? What is it? Why can't I think? All right, well, the kale one, I know it has kale. Our pea protein, and then this is our new one here, the super veggies. I'm super excited about this. But as you can see, they come in 3 different sizes. So you have your big bag here, the small one, the small bag. Then these come with a little scoop for you, so you can size it out based on your portions. Or this one here, 10 grams of protein per packet. Guys, these are great if you have little ones at home and you want to make sure they're getting their veggies and protein. I have a child that will not eat a single vegetable. She's just on protest. She doesn't realize she gets her veggies anyway. All right, I slip these into brownies and cakes, everything that I try to make that has some type of, sauce or dough. I can easily sneak this in, all right? You can sneak it into your meat. You can sneak it into your smoothies. All right, they're really... Oh, kale and fiber. That's what the other one is. I'm so silly. All right, but yeah, so you have... And then you can even order a package of the smaller ones as well. And you can subscribe for the monthly again, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Now, we have a mystery host party going in here. I am keeping it open. We're still right under the $300 mark, and I think we could do better, but we do have a few people on there. So if you order from, I think it was the last week of February and now in through March. If you ordered, you are on the mystery host list. However, I am going to add another week or two to it just so we can get it up, you know, into a better price point so the mystery host winner gets better rewards. But guys, these subscriptions are everything. I love them. Every time they show up, I'm like, oh, yay, you know. It's really exciting, and I like that the taste buds, I don't know what's coming because then it helps me try new things. So really exciting stuff. You can log right into the website that's in the link here. If you place an order, if you do a subscription, it'll go to the mystery host party, so you have a chance to get in there. Guys, also to get entered into the mystery host party, super simple, super easy. Just invite your friends to the VIP group. Every 3 of your friends that join, you're going to get an entry into the mystery host drawing. So if you get 10 friends to come in, or you get 12 friends to come in, that's 4 entries into the mystery host party. That's $40 worth of entries if you were to purchase. So every $10 gets you an entry. Every 3 friends that join the group get you an entry. Do both. All right? The more people we have, the more people participate in mystery host drawings, and then the more people that order, the higher the reward. So everybody wins. All right, guys? Help me grow my base. Help you win free products and discounted products. And guess, oh my God, I can't believe I didn't say this yet. Our entire stoneware line is going to be available again April 1st. So if you've been one of those people holding out and waiting and waiting and waiting for the nice glazed stoneware, or the other pieces besides just the pizza stone, the 4 that came back, get on my April schedule to host a party, okay? I do have about 10 guests who had previously hosted, and you have $15 credits that are still sitting in your account. So if you go to place an order, you'll see it on your logout page, your checkout page. On that final page, it'll show a $15 credit. If you think you have one, actually, you should know if you have one because I message everybody who has one. It's free $15 sitting in your cart that's going to expire soon. Use it as an entry into the drawing. $80, it gets you your free monthly special. It's a flexible cutting board set. I think it's the mini ones, I'm not sure, but you get the blue, the green, and the orange. All right, free when you spend $80, okay? And that'll also get you 8 entries into the mystery host drawing. Guys, we have just about, I think I'm going to keep it open for another week, but definitely check out the subscriptions. Like I said, they're not expensive, but they're super fun. Enrichables for your picky eaters. And listen, I'm a picky eater too. I'm not going to lie. I don't want to eat fiber. I don't want to eat protein, okay? Unless it's like a big juicy steak or a bunch of barbecued chicken. I'm really not into it, right? I'm not going to get my pea protein and veggies. Come on. I have to make them really exciting for me to want to eat them. So these enrichables are a super easy way to trick myself and trick my kids. All right, guys, thank you always for your support. If you have any questions, or if you are looking for any products, if you want to host a party, or if you want to join my team, I'm always here and ready to help anybody get their own business going. Thanks all. Love you all. Stay pampered.